Namaskar friends, I am Deepa Govekar. I am exponent of tribal folk and traditional arts and facilitator of Mandala art. I am research fellow with Ministry of Culture on Mandala art and also a certified fairy teacher. My project Chitra Lekha aims at introducing and connecting a younger generation with the traditional art forms. Kids love drawing and painting and they also love stories. And our traditional art is all about painted stories. Stories from our epics, mythology, folklore, and day-to-day life. So today's video is about introduction to different traditional art forms. This is just a brief introduction. In my upcoming videos, I'll be explaining in detail about all these art forms. So let's go on a journey into incredible India's incredible art. So to begin with, I am starting from my home state, Goa, a perfect holiday destination, and from Goa we have Kavi art. Kavi is ancient art of Goa. From Goa, let's go to Maharashtra. We have Varli art from Maharashtra, and besides Varli, we also have Chitrakhati from Konkan area. Similar to Varli, we have Saura art from Orissa. There is a similarity in the figures, but the history, technique, stories behind them are different. And similar to this, we have Kurumba art. This is from Nilgiris. And we also have Muriya art from Bastar. From Andhra Pradesh, we have Kalamkari. This is also Kalamkari art. From Telangana, we have chariot painting. From vibrant Gujarat, we have Lipan art. We have Pithoda art. And we have Rogan art. From Bihar, Bihar is known for Madhubani paintings, very colorful and vibrant. There are different styles of Madhubani: Kachni, Bharani, Godna, Khobar, Tantrik. And this is the Godna style of Madhubani. Then we have Tikuli painting from Bihar, Patna. Then we have Manjusha painting from Bhagalpur, Bihar. From Madhya Pradesh, we have Bhil art, Bhil tribal art, and we have Gond tribal art. From Assam, we have manuscript scroll painting. From Jharkhand, we have Sohrai. From Orissa, we have Patachitra, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. We also have Tal Patachitra. This is on the palm leaf. Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. This is also Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra in grains and pulses. Padharo Maro Desh, Rajasthan. We have Pad painting. We have miniature art from Rajasthan. And we have Pichwai painting from Nathdwara Srinathji. From Uttarakhand we have Airpand. This is also Airpand. From Devbhumi, Himachal, we have Chamba Rumal, and we have Kangra style painting. From Tamil Nadu, we have this very beautiful Tanjore painting. From West Bengal, we have Patua painting, Kalighat style, Santhal painting. This is the Santhal painting. From UP, from Brajbhumi, we have Sanji. This is the paper cutting art. From Mathura Vrindavan. From God's own country Kerala, we have Kerala mural, and here I have Kathakali face painting. From Haryana, this is Sanji wall art. This is done on the wall. From Karnataka, we have Chittara, and here I have used Chittara motif in alphabet and in Devanagari. From Paradise on Earth, Kashmir, we have Basholi painting, and we have paper mache art. From Leh Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Dharamshala, we have this Thanka painting depicting the teachings of Buddha. Here I have Lord Ganesha in Thanka painting. So these were the glimpses into the traditional art forms. There are more different art forms that I will be discussing in my upcoming videos. So if you are interested in knowing more about Indian art and culture, stay connected with me on my YouTube channel Chitralekha with Deepa. Om Shanti.